Hey, sup YouTube? Official Blader HD here, and today I have a Shogun Steel battle between Samurai Fred versus Ninja Salamander. First point of 3 points wins. Also, a shout out. Please subscribe to GamingBoy01. He is my friend, so his link will be inside the description. Also, he is also having a giveaway. If you guys subscribe to him, you guys get a promote channel. So if he gets over 10 subscribers, you guys win an awesome prize. So, alrighty. Zoom out. Alrighty. So Shinobi goes first. Sorry, it's taking so long. And Samurai Fred takes round 1. Round 2. And Samurai Fred takes round 2. Okay, switch. Bad rip. Okay, Samurai Fred to the stadium. Oh wow, that was a big fail. But Samurai Fred loses, so the score is now 2-1. Final battle. That was a snipe. Big time, but that was okay, so there goes the partial round. Now let's make this one interesting. So now we're gonna have knockouts. So, are we switching the mode? Nope. And Shinobu Saramanda takes round 1.
Kill blow.
Round 2. And one more point and the battle's over, so let's try to make this one interesting. So, the score is now tied. So, final battle.
Who's gonna win?
Oh, and Shinobi Saramanda takes the win with a knockout. So, hopefully you guys like this video. Make your favorite and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.